Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Unplugged with Prashun. Today I am here with a new video of a surprise gift hamper by AlgoFac India. So in this video, we will unbox this box and see what all surprises we will get inside this box. So before starting the video, please like this video, and if you are new to our channel, so subscribe to our channel. So here we have our gift box, which is looking fantastic, and the packaging of this box is also really good. On top of this box, we can see this box is packed by Nutty Gritties and contains some premium dry fruits. So now without wasting time, let's open this box and see what all items we will get in this box. So as you can see, we have lots of packets of healthy and delicious dry fruit, which contain Indian long raisin by Nutty Gritty, with that we have roasted pistachio, and we also have Californian walnut, and we also have jumbo cashew nut, and at last but not least, we also have Californian almond. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So before leaving, please like this video, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel and add your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you.